At VMware, we're leading the way with a cloud infrastructure that lets you bring applications, end-user data and collaboration tools into your cloud, so you can give users what they need while you maintain control. One of the most critical applications to bring into the cloud is email, calendaring and collaboration. That's because traditional systems like Microsoft Exchange and Outlook use the desktop for primary storage and access. And let's face it, in today's world that just doesn't cut it. VMware ZIMBRA is a browser-based enterprise-class open-source email, calendar and collaboration platform that is designed for portability across private and public clouds, making it much simpler to manage and more cost-effective to scale. It helps you be more organized and more productive than ever before because your information follows you wherever you go. Think of it as your cloud. VMware ZIMBRA has all the features you'd expect: email, contacts, calendars, tasks, plus a file-sharing service called Briefcase. But it offers so much more than legacy systems like Microsoft Exchange, GroupWise and IBM Lotus Notes. With ZIMBRA, your inbox becomes a communications hub. Everything you need is accessible in one user interface, so you're a lot more productive. For example, you can easily access maps, look up contacts, or dial a call with a simple right-click. Everything you do every day is right there. You don't have to leave ZIMBRA to use WebEx, Salesforce.com, Socialcast, Oracle, or LinkedIn. ZIMBRA's open-source extensions, called Zimlets, allow developers and administrators to easily incorporate both third-party and custom applications into the ZIMBRA environment. After all, it's your cloud. You should have the freedom to extend and customize your workflow to meet your needs. With ZIMBRA, even common functions like search are uncommonly powerful. You can search through messages, appointments, even attachments using any number of criteria. You can also create complex searches and save them for reuse later. You can still create folders if you like, but the search is so powerful you really don't need to. Scheduling meetings has never been easier. When you create a calendar event from a message, it brings all the information and attachments associated with it. And an intelligent scheduling assistant suggests times, rooms, and resources. ZIMBRA is fully compatible with standard messaging systems like Apple Mail, Microsoft Outlook, and Microsoft Exchange, so you can share calendar events with customers or vendors, whether they have ZIMBRA or not. With ZIMBRA, you don't need to send documents, you simply share them. You can share folders, contacts, calendars, documents, and tasks. With Briefcase, ZIMBRA's file-sharing tool, you can also save documents to your cloud and then share anything you need with whomever you choose. Briefcase also allows you to keep track of multiple versions of the same document while changes are being made. As you can see, VMware ZIMBRA is by far the most powerful, flexible, and open solution available for messaging and collaboration. VMware ZIMBRA is also a key component of any IT as a service strategy. Unlike other solutions, ZIMBRA can be deployed in the public cloud, on-premise, or in a hybrid solution. So you not only have control of your data, you also have a choice. VMware ZIMBRA is simple to deploy and administer. The web-based administration console can centrally manage all ZIMBRA servers and user accounts. Provisioning and server management is accessible from any location. ZIMBRA also eliminates the need for PST files, offering full and incremental backups at the click of a button, and restoring individual mailboxes in real time. And with ZIMBRA's built-in hierarchical storage management, IT managers can configure and manage email resources at much lower costs. For high availability and worry-free data recovery, you can virtualize ZIMBRA with VMware vSphere at a fraction of the cost of competing solutions. You can also use NFS, iSCSI, or fiber channel storage systems to reduce management overhead. It's up to you. ZIMBRA can also be deployed as a virtual appliance, which can go from install to inbox in minutes, literally, with no need for OS administration. Even with all the great features that ZIMBRA offers, you may have users who will want to stay with their existing system. And that's okay. ZIMBRA leverages existing investments and is completely interoperable with Exchange and Active Directory. It also provides connectors to Microsoft Outlook, Apple Mail, Thunderbird, and other similar clients. With everything VMware Zimbra offers, you'd expect it to cost more. But in fact, it delivers significant cost savings. Zimbra costs 35 to 50% less than other systems. And on average, customers spend a third less time managing Zimbra than Microsoft Exchange. Zimbra brings unprecedented flexibility and freedom for end users, as well as the simplicity and control that IT administrators need. So say goodbye to your old legacy email system and say hello to a cloud-based solution that delivers the communication and collaboration platform you need for today's business environment. Download a free 60-day trial and take a look at VMware Zimbra for yourself. I think you'll be impressed.